going to make ping pong on scratch. This is the project which we are going to make today, ping pong, and I'm going to show you how it works. And let's make it. Then in the ball, take a green flag option, then take a forever block and go to motion and take this. If bounce on edge, then scroll up and take this move 10 step and keep it to 5 and see whether the ball is bouncing like this. Also, you can keep this point in direction 90. There, pick random 0 to 360. And see whether it's working like this. And go to motion and keep this go to block and keep here 0. You also have to keep a wait block. Take this green flag option out and here keep another green flag option and keep on broadcast and click on new message and type there play. And click on OK. And here keep I review play. And in here keep a forever block and one if block. Inside the if block, keep if touch color and click on this icon here and take this lines color. Then go to event and take this broadcast play. Then when the ball touches the black lines, the ball comes at the starting position. It is not working because keep this go to block at the top. Then it will work. Now in this black line keep a green flag option and a go to block. Keep it 0. Then in the peddler, take a green flag option and switch costume to peddler. Then go to control and take a forever block and 2 if blocks. Then take this key, left arrow pressed and right arrow. In the left arrow, move -5 steps, and in the other one, keep it by 5. And see whether it's working like this. Then go to the ball and keep another green flag option and take a forever block and keep 1 if block, and inside the if block keep if touch peddler. Then take this point in direction, duplicate it, and keep it inside the if block. And see whether it's working like this. You can also take a backdrop and in the peddler take another green flag option. Then make clone of myself. Then go to motion and take this peddler here and keep this. And here take the peddler and keep it here and keep its position here. Then take another, not a green flag option, scroll down and take this. When I start as a clone, and take this forever block and 2 if blocks, and go to operators and take this 2 operators. In the operators, go to motion and scroll down and take this X position and keep it here, also here. Then go to here and take this and keep it here, and here keep basketball and X position, and in the other one keep basketball and X position. In this one keep, move 5 steps, and in the other one by minus. And see whether it's working like this. It is not working properly. So take this, go to, and keep it here, and see whether it's working like this. But both are the same color. So in this, go to looks and keep here peddler 2. Then the other one is in a different color. And when the ball touches the black color line, it comes to the starting position. Go to the ball, and you can also increase it to 2. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please